The AZZUNO Max 737 Impact is a powerful tool designed for DIY enthusiasts and professionals, providing a robust torque of 1,000 Newton meters to tackle tough wheel nuts and heavy-duty projects effortlessly. Equipped with a brushless motor, this impact wrench offers a significant increase in efficiency and longevity, making it a reliable choice for home auto repairs and truck tire work. With its 3 adjustable speed modes and reversible direction feature, users can achieve precision and control in various tasks, while the built-in LED light enhances visibility in dimly lit areas. The inclusion of 2 4,000 milliampere-hour lithium-ion batteries ensures extended usage, complemented by a fast charger that minimizes downtime with a quick 2-hour charging cycle. Weighing only 5 pounds, the ergonomic design with a soft, non-slip grip reduces arm fatigue, offering comfort during prolonged use without compromising on performance. This all-inclusive kit comes with pro-grade accessories, including 4 hardened sockets and a heavy-duty case, making it an ideal solution for tire removal, automotive repairs, and construction projects.